Southern West, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Basically, you can say almost. Left Jamaica when I was 50, head to Ontario, Canada. Grew up on the streets of Ilkley. Likely, they don't gotta like me. Money, I have no friends who I kill, not if they like me. Likely, they don't gotta like me. I was handed a revolver. I was told it's for protection, so I build a wall. So I say wall to wall, yeah. From the west to the west, which I can. The kid, Yadi, grown into this old shit. It's unlikely that I switch lanes and be what they want me to be. Born and raised in Southern West, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Basically, you can say almost. Left Jamaica when I was 50, head to Ontario, Canada. Grew up on the streets of Ilkley. It's unlikely for me to switch lanes, and try to be what they want me to be, though. It's appreciated, though, for the dogs that looked out for me, though. Don't know who. Told y'all to make sure I was okay to be okay. Don't know who. Told y'all, looked out for me to make sure I was okay to be okay. But I salute those though. From the west I came down. I'm looking out though, looking over though. Life been great though. Them niggas want me on the road now. It's been so pain for me though, that river for men. But the men down. I understood though. I was told the potential is the potential though. And I had to do what I had to do though. Work towards what I gotta run. I understood though. Them dreams are dead though. It's just life though. I'm from the west though, Southern West though. Looking out though, for better though. Heads to the sky though. Sky's the limit. Salute to all those that looked out for the kid. From then until now, Vice of the General, aka Season.